The only thing I want to wipe away is the past, and that's toilet paper. It doesn't work as well as it should, and it's a serious strain on the environment. Flushable wipes seem like a step in the right direction, but they're actually even worse. Wipe drop. I found the future. An alternative that's more hygienic, environmentally friendly, affordable, and it looks awesome. Meet Sonny. It's a portable bidet. You might be thinking, bidet? What am I? Some sort of a fancy pants French aristocrat? No. But now you can be as clean as one. Sonny doesn't require installation and can live discreetly in any bathroom. Using Sonny is simple. Just charge it, fill it with water, and enjoy a revitalizing micro shower where you need it most. Now, let's watch my wife give a demonstration.
Wait, what?
An abstract demonstration.
Oh, cool.
Using dry paper to clean a creamy or chunky situation is just downright counterintuitive.
This is disgusting.
I know, right? Now, try this.
Water really is the best solution. And not just for after going number 2, but also for numbers 3 through 5. Menstrual, postcoital, and postnatal cleanliness. We don't have to demonstrate those, do we?
Nope. It's obvious that Sonny keeps your behind clean, but it can do the same for your conscience as well. Before this modern marvel, my lovely wife and I plowed through 112 rolls of toilet paper every year.
We're not proud.
And that's just the average. As their beloved wacky neighbor, I can tell you, these two used a lot more.
I don't like knowing that you know that.
You know what I don't like knowing? That in the US alone, we wasted 500 billion gallons of water and decimated 15 million trees a year for this.
Now, I'm not saying they're better than us, but Europe and Japan have been riding the bidet train for decades. Meanwhile, we're taking the future of our planet and we're wiping our asses with it.
Which is why now is the time for this water wand to weave its earth-rescuing magic.
Hey, I spent a lot of money on those.
Yeah, exactly. With all that cash you'll save, the Sonny practically pays for itself.
So do I get reimbursed or what's the deal? Guys.
Maybe you've already spent time and money installing a bidet on your home commode. But what happens if you have to go on the go?
What really sets Sonny apart from the competition is that it's 100% portable.
This way, you can be the best, cleanest version of yourself, no matter where you are. I pushed a button on my phone, and now a car is here to whisk us away.
Not too long ago, that may have sounded insane, but now we couldn't imagine living without it.
Yeah, innovation makes our lives better. And now it's time to take that forward thinking to our backsides.
What are you guys shooting, some kind of commercial?
Yeah, we're doing a commercial for a portable bidet.
I could really use one of those.
Yeah, you look like you could.
Honey.
Hey, look, I'm sorry about that. What do you say we start fresh? The only thing I want to wipe away is the past, and that's toilet paper.